Are you tired of juggling between different containers for your various food storage needs? Look no further. The Deli containers with leak-proof lids 60 sets have arrived to simplify your kitchen life. This review will guide you through the features and benefits that make these containers a must-have for anyone seeking restaurant-quality, versatile, and hassle-free food storage. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Unboxing convenience: 60 sets for all your needs. The Deli containers come in a pack of 60, providing you with 20 sets each of 8 Oz, 16 Oz, and 32 Oz containers. These heavy-duty, BPA-free plastic containers are designed for convenience and durability, making them ideal for both professional and home use. Say goodbye to mismatched containers cluttering your kitchen. These sets have you covered. Restaurant quality at home. Crack-resistant and equipped with airtight lids, these containers are designed to prevent spilling and leaking, making them perfect for storing both liquid and solid contents. Whether you're preserving soups, dressings, sauces, or desserts, these containers maintain restaurant-quality freshness at home. Meal prep made easy with portion control. The Deli containers are not just storage solutions, they're your partners in meal prep. The convenient sizes make portion control a breeze, helping you stay on track with your healthy eating habits. From snacks to full meals, these containers are your secret weapon for organized and controlled nutrition. Endless possibilities. From soup to superfoods. Thanks to their generous yet non-bulky size, these containers are incredibly versatile. From rice and chicken nuggets to vegetable soup and healthy salads, they can handle it all. Desserts, cakes, breakfast, dinner, sandwiches, leftovers, baby food, nuts, cereal, the options are limitless. Let your culinary imagination run wild. Premium craftsmanship for safe food storage, crafted from high-quality BPA-free food-grade materials, these containers prioritize your health and safety. They are non-toxic, durable, and resilient, ready to withstand the rigors of everyday use. Feel confident in storing your food in these premium containers. Leak-proof assurance. Enjoy your food on the go. Say goodbye to messy spills. The Deli containers come with leak-proof, airtight lids, ensuring that your food stays in place, whether it's a hearty soup or a saucy pasta. Enjoy your favorite meals on the go without worrying about spills or leaks. Microwave, dishwasher, and freezer-friendly. Experience the convenience of hot, homemade meals in minutes with these microwave-safe containers. Toss them in the dishwasher for easy cleaning and watch them come out fresh, clean, and ready for your next delicious meal. Stackable and freezer-safe, they optimize space in your refrigerator, freezer, or even your gym bag. Ready to upgrade your food storage game? The Deli containers with leak-proof lids 60 sets offer unparalleled convenience, versatility, and quality. Don't miss out. Click the link below to explore the full product specifications and discover why these containers are a kitchen essential. Conclusion. Elevate your food storage experience. In conclusion, the Deli containers with leak-proof lids 60 sets are not just containers, they're a game-changer in how you store and enjoy your food. Say goodbye to the clutter of mismatched containers and embrace the convenience of these restaurant-quality, leak-proof, and versatile containers. Upgrade your kitchen experience today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.